Oasis Atlantis Cook and Cold Bottleless Water Cooler. For the office with high water needs, you should consider a bottleless water dispenser like this one. Without a doubt, the Oasis is the best Oasis dispenser for office use because of its bottleless design. This water dispenser provides cold and hot temperature on demand. It's also easy to clean. The drip tray can come right out and go straight into a dishwasher if you have a full kitchen in your office. The best feature of the Oasis Atlantis Cook and Cold Bottleless Water Cooler is the dual float system. Because this unit is bottleless, it fills its reserve tank from water from an existing water line. The downside to many bottleless options is that they run the risk of overflowing. The dual float system prevents overflowing, leaving you without excuses to opt for a bottleless system like this one. This cooler doesn't need water treatments and is easier to work with in an office setting because no one has to change those heavy water bottles.